Lord, this petition has been filed by the employees of the Army Public School, my lord. The petitioners before your lordship, my lord, are employees of the Army Public School, that is respondent number 2, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioners are in employment with the Army Public School since last several years, my lord.
Yes.
For instance, petition number 2 had been serving there since last 21 years, my lord, on the
Yes.
post of Safai Wala. Petition number 1 had been working since almost 15 years
Yes.
as gardener. Petition number 3 has been working since almost 10 years, my lord, as Safai Wali.
Yes.
My lord, the basic grievance of the petitioners is that, my lord, even after working for more than a decade and several years, my lord, they are being shown as ad hoc employees, my lord, by giving them artificial breaks in services, my lord.
What is the nature of the appointment?
My lord, the nature is administrative, my lord. My lord, may I just submit?
Have you filed any appointment order?
Yes, my lord. I have filed the appointment letters of all the petitioners, my lord, which
Yes.
my lord may kindly find at Annexa P1, P2, P3, my lord. Annexa P1 is at page number 40, my lord.
40.
40.
Since when you are working?
My lord, different petitioners, my lord, the longest service is of petitioner number 2 since 21 years, my lord. If my lord may kindly peruse the chronology, my lord, which starts from page number
No.
2.
Is there any circular or rule or
Yes,
any
yes.
provision?
Now, my lord, there are the rules, which are the rules of the, my lord, in paragraph number 5.3 and 5.4 of my petition, I have narrated that, my lord. There is a society, my lord, called the Army Welfare Education Society, my lord. It is a registered body, my lord, under the Registration Act at Delhi, my lord. And it has got its rules, my lord. And I have quoted the relevant portions of rules, my lord. Page number 10, my lord, may kindly peruse. Paragraph number 5.4, my lord. This is the clause number 115 of the rules, my lord, which provides that which all posts are for administrative staff, my lord. And I have mentioned the administrative posts, my lord. The drivers, the gardeners, watch and ward staff, housekeeping, they are all on administrative posts, my lord. My lord, I may also submit that, my lord, this issue has been dealt with by the Honorable Delhi High Court, my lord. A single bench had passed an order of regularization that was challenged before the division bench. The division bench had upheld, against which an SLP was preferred before the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, and then SLP has also been dismissed.
Where is that order?
Yes, my lord, I have, although I have quoted it, my lord, but I have got the copies also, my lord. My lord, this is the order of the, in sequence, my lord, I am just passing over. The order of the Honorable Single Bench, then the Division Bench, and then the Honorable Supreme Court's rejection order. I have highlighted the relevant portion, my lord, and in my petition, my lord, I have quoted it also, my lord. These were also the cases of
writ can also be issued.
Yes, my lord. For that also, my lord, I have got an order of the Honorable Calcutta High Court, my lord, in which it has been held that the Army Public School is a state.
Is a state.
Yes, my lord. This is the order in the matter of Binita Patnaik Padhi, my lord, of the Honorable Calcutta High Court, my lord. This also I have quoted, my lord, in my petition. My lord, the Army Public Schools have got a managing committee, my lord, and it comprises of a patron, a senior patron, a chairman. These all are senior army officers, my lord.
But whether they have got any scheme,
My lord.
any circular, any rule for regularization?
They have only one rule book, my lord, which is called the Red Book, my lord. Its hard copy is not available to the petitioners, my lord.
No, this Delhi High Court
Yes, my lord.
has passed the order.
My lord.
In view of the petition, it allowed the petition services will be taken.
May I submit regarding that?
But as a regular statutory employment. Yeah, this is passed on what basis?
My lord, the Honorable Delhi High Court has considered that the posts on which they are working, my lord, like two of them were drivers, my lord, and they had been working, these are of perennial nature, my lord, without which the school cannot function, my lord. Similarly, my lord, here before your lordship also, my lord, these people are working, the petition number 4 is a driver, my lord. Petition number 1 is the gardener, and 2 and 3 are housekeeping, my lord. So these people are working, my lord, since several years. Without these functions, the school cannot work, my lord. But despite that, what is happening, my lord? They are being shown as contractual or ad hoc employees, my lord. By giving them artificial breaks, I have produced tables, my lord, showing that how and when the artificial breaks have been given. If my lord may kindly turn to page number 13 of my compilation, my lord, of every employee, my lord. Since last so many years, they are giving artificial breaks. Because of this, my lord, they are being denied of several benefits, my lord. For instance, my lord, the son of petitioner number 1 is studying in the Army public school, my lord. He was getting a concession, my lord, since 2017. But now all of a sudden, my lord, they have said that no, you will pay full fees, my lord. He cannot even afford the full fees because they are not considering him as a regular employee now, my lord. Then, my lord, the working hours, the holidays, the leaves, there are several things, my lord, of which they are being denied, my lord.
लेकिन श्री ऋषि तिवारी under the counsel for the petitioner, counsel for the grievance of the petitioners are that they are working on ad hoc basis in army school
Oh,
Mau for last many years, but their service, but they have not been conferred status of regular employee. Counsel for the petitioner submits that the Calcutta High Court in the case of Binita Patnaik Padhi versus State of versus Union of India and others held that Army School is a state under Article 12 of the Constitution of India and is amenable to issuance of the writ by this court. He further submits that Delhi High Court has decided that the employees of the Army School are entitled for regular status. In WP, ये उसी का नंबर है?
My lord,
ये
there is a bunch
शत्रुघ्न
of petition 5189 of 2014, my lord.
No,
Is
no.
the
Delhi High Court का which judgment you are relying?
my lord, Shatrughan Thakur versus Director of Education, my lord.
Yes, in WP bracket में C number 5189 of 2014, Shatrughan Thakur.
It has been upheld, my lord, right up to the Supreme Court.
देखिए, against the said judgment, the writ appeal was also writ appeal होती है कि
LPA
LPA?
है, my lord, वहाँ पे.
LPA was also dismissed by the division bench of Delhi High Court.
Yes.
Against the said order, SLP was also dismissed by the apex court. Considering the aforesaid submissions, issue notice to the respondents on payment of PF within 7 working days by both modes, returnable within 6 weeks.
My lord, one more prayer, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, I have filed I number 5917 of 2022, my lord.
yes.
My lord, due to oversight, my lord, I have not included the Army Welfare Education Society, my lord.
लिखिए।
Although I have made averments, my lord, so kindly be permitted to include it, my lord.
तो सबसे पहले टॉप पे कर दीजिएगा. Hard on IA 5917 of 2022, which is an application for impleadment of the respondent. Considering the grounds mentioned in the application, the same is allowed. Counsel for the petitioner is granted 7 working days time to carry out the necessary amendment by amendment in the array of the respondents. अब बाकी लिखने के बाद जहाँ इशू नोटिस आया ना, लिखिएगा आफ्टर carrying out the amendment in the array of the respondents, issue notice to the respondents including newly amended respondent on payment of PF within 7 working days by both modes, returnable within 6 weeks.
Lord, may I pray for no coercive action, my lord?
अरे अभी क्या, last 21 years you are working.
My lord, वो fees बच्चों
Wait,
की,
wait,
they might
not-
struck off the name of the kid, my lord.
Nothing, so that is a different relief.
I'm obliged.
Yes.